Have you ever looked up at the night sky and wondered about the secrets Jupiter, the largest planet in our solar system, holds? A behemoth among its peers, Jupiter's enormity is hard to fathom. It's not just its size that's awe-inspiring. It plays a significant role in our solar system, influencing everything from the orbit of other planets to the delivery of key elements necessary for life. Let's dive into the world of this gas giant and uncover some of its intriguing facts and curiosities. Fact number 1: Jupiter is the largest planet in our solar system. It's an enormous sphere of gas and clouds, dwarfing our Earth in both size and volume. When we talk about Jupiter's size, we're talking about a planet so vast it boggles the mind. Consider this: if you were to line up all the planets of our solar system, Jupiter would still be the most colossal. It's an absolute behemoth with a diameter that's over 11 times that of Earth's. But even that doesn't truly capture the immensity of Jupiter, so let's put it another way. If Jupiter were hollow, more than 1,300 Earths could comfortably fit inside. That's right, over 1,300 worlds the size of our own, all within the confines of this single giant planet. Just imagine, over 1,000 Earths could fit inside this giant planet. Fact number 2: Jupiter possesses the largest magnetosphere of all the planets. Now let's take a moment to comprehend just how monumental this truly is. A magnetosphere, in essence, is a space around a planet dominated by its magnetic field. Picture this: Jupiter's magnetosphere is so colossal that it starts influencing solar wind almost 3 million kilometers before the planet. For a little perspective, that's nearly 8 times the distance from the Earth to the Moon. Imagine a protective bubble, a force field if you will, stretching out into space, battling the solar wind like a cosmic gladiator. This space shield is responsible for some pretty spectacular light shows too, creating vibrant auroras that can outshine any northern lights we've seen here on Earth. So when we talk about Jupiter, we're not just speaking about the planet itself, but also this immense magnetic field surrounding it. This massive magnetosphere is a force to be reckoned with. Fact number 3: Jupiter is home to a staggering number of moons. Picture this: while our home planet Earth has just one moon, Jupiter boasts a whopping 79. That's right, 79 moons orbiting around Jupiter, each with its own unique characteristics and mysteries. Now let's bring some of them into the spotlight. First up is Ganymede, a moon that's not only the largest one orbiting Jupiter, but it's also the largest moon in the entire solar system. It's even bigger than the planet Mercury. Talk about a heavyweight champion. Then there's Io, a celestial body that's the most volcanically active place in our solar system, constantly reshaping its own landscape with its eruptions. And we can't forget about Europa, a moon that's believed to harbor a subsurface ocean, making it one of the prime locations in our search for extraterrestrial life. With so many moons, Jupiter could almost be a mini solar system itself. Fact number 4: Jupiter is known for its Great Red Spot, a storm so colossal it's been churning and swirling for over 3 centuries. Imagine a tempest so vast that our own Earth could comfortably nestle within its boundaries. That's the scale we're talking about here. The Great Red Spot is a high-pressure region, a counterclockwise spinning vortex of crimson-hued clouds, with wind speeds reaching up to 400 miles per hour. This stormy spectacle is not just a weather phenomenon. It's a window into Jupiter's complex atmospheric dynamics and the powerful forces at work beneath its cloud tops. Scientists continue to study this iconic spot, hoping to unlock the secrets of Jupiter's atmospheric conditions and perhaps gain insights into our own weather systems here on Earth. The Great Red Spot, a testament to the wild and unpredictable nature of our universe, is one of Jupiter's most defining features. We've only scratched the surface of Jupiter's mysteries today, from its colossal size, the strength of its magnetic field, to its numerous moons and iconic Great Red Spot. We've taken a brief tour of what makes Jupiter a marvel in our solar system. Yet so much remains to be discovered about this giant planet. As we continue to probe the cosmos, each new revelation brings us closer to understanding our place in the universe. To keep exploring the universe with us, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and like this video. Join us on this journey through the cosmos. Before we wrap up our cosmic journey, let's delve into another fascinating aspect of Jupiter that sets it apart from the rest of the planets in our solar system. Jupiter's day lasts for only 9.9 Earth hours, the shortest day of all the planets. Yes, you heard that right. If you were to stand on Jupiter, your day would whiz by in less than half the time it takes for us to experience a day here on Earth. This rapid rotation is so powerful that it causes the planet to bulge at its equator and flatten at its poles, creating an oblate shape rather than a perfect sphere. This is just another testament to the extraordinary and extreme nature of our universe. Stay tuned for more mind-boggling facts about our cosmic neighborhood in the upcoming videos. From the shortest day in the solar system, we now plunge into the heart of Jupiter itself. Imagine a core so dense and so hot that it surpasses the surface temperature of our very own sun. That's right, Jupiter's core is believed to be a dense mix of elements, with temperatures reaching a scorching 35,000 degrees Celsius. That's hotter than the surface of the sun, which sits at a relatively chilly 5,500 degrees Celsius. This core is shrouded in a deep layer of metallic hydrogen, a peculiar state of hydrogen that behaves like an electrical conductor due to the immense pressure it's under. This combination of a dense, hot core and the surrounding layer of metallic hydrogen not only contributes to Jupiter's powerful magnetic field, but also adds another layer of mystery to this giant planet. As we continue to study and explore Jupiter, we uncover more and more of its secrets, each one more fascinating than the last. So, buckle up, space explorers. Our journey through the cosmos is far from over. Up next, we'll dive into more intriguing facts about our solar system and beyond. Stay tuned. From the fiery core of Jupiter, we now drift towards a feature so faint and elusive, it remained hidden from our eyes until the late 20th century. Yes, we're talking about Jupiter's own ring system. Discovered in 1979 by NASA's Voyager 1 spacecraft, Jupiter's rings proved that Saturn isn't the only planet in our solar system with such stunning accessories. However, unlike the grand, icy rings of Saturn, Jupiter's rings are composed mainly of dust particles. But where does this dust come from, you might ask? The answer lies with some of Jupiter's smaller moons. As these moons get bombarded by micrometeorites, they eject dust particles into Jupiter's orbit, thus creating this faint ring system. Although not as visually striking as Saturn's, Jupiter's rings hold their own unique charm and mystery. So next time you look up at the night sky, remember that there's more to Jupiter than meets the eye. In our next scene, we'll continue our journey through the cosmos, exploring more amazing facts about our solar system. Don't go anywhere. Leaving the subtlety of Jupiter's hidden halo behind, we now venture into a realm of unseen protection. Yes, we're diving into Jupiter's magnetic field. This magnetic field isn't just for show, it plays a crucial role in protecting Jupiter's many moons from the solar wind. These winds, charged particles emitted by the sun, can be destructive, but Jupiter's magnetic field acts as a shield, deflecting this harmful radiation away from its moons. This is particularly crucial for moons like Europa. Beneath its icy surface, Europa is believed to harbor a vast subsurface ocean, which could potentially support life. Without Jupiter's magnetic shield, the solar winds could strip away this moon's atmosphere, leaving its ocean exposed to the harshness of space. It's fascinating to think about the invisible forces at play, isn't it? In our next scene, we continue our journey through the cosmos, exploring more about the wonders of our solar system. Stay tuned. Having explored the protective shield of Jupiter, it's time to spotlight one of its moons that stands out in its own unique way. Welcome to Ganymede, the largest moon of Jupiter, and the only moon in the solar system known to possess its own magnetic field. This magnetic field of Ganymede is a spectacular phenomenon, causing auroras in the moon's thin atmosphere, much like the northern and southern lights on Earth. The existence of this magnetic field suggests a molten or partially molten core, hinting at a more complex geological history than we might imagine for a moon. This magnetic marvel makes Ganymede a fascinating subject for scientists, as they seek to understand the wide variety of celestial bodies in our solar system. As we delve deeper, we discover that there's much more to Jupiter and its moons than meets the eye. Next, we'll continue our exploration, journeying further into the mysteries of the universe. Stay tuned. As we journey through the cosmos, let's take a step back to appreciate Jupiter's historic significance. This grand giant of our solar system is not only a marvel to behold through the lens of modern science, but has also been a source of fascination for centuries. Jupiter is occasionally visible from Earth with the naked eye, making it a popular object of study in ancient astronomy. Its consistent brightness and distinct movement across the night sky have captured the interest and imagination of skygazers since time immemorial. Now let's bring out our binoculars. With this simple tool, we can observe its four largest moons, Io, Europa, Ganymede, and Callisto. Known as the Galilean moons, these celestial bodies were discovered by Galileo Galilei in 1610, revolutionizing the way we understand our place in the universe. Even today they remain a breathtaking sight for amateur astronomers and seasoned professionals alike. As we continue our exploration, let's remember that we are not merely studying distant celestial bodies, but also tracing the footsteps of the curious minds who have gazed upon these wonders before us. Up next, we delve deeper into the mysteries of Jupiter and its moons. Stay tuned!